Omodeputy Inspector General Omoyia litukulia lero niko abaka Gotianigwa wesio wa abatenene be kyombe kyo kya abanyanyimbo iga sense ya Kenya na maoncherio akoletwa mu president wense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto mayaga yongwetigia emirimo Javet Kome nigo omo inspector muyigiri batimase matengeri aba gabateba buna niko aguchya kwene kyabuna ogendereirie sera engia na bwo gutumika lichiko na bwo kuburia abanyanyimbo amuna abana inchi kubwate lichiko linse ya Kenya nigo masengeri aba gakonyorekero gikikurwa as James Kamau oyenga kiaye yaika omwelyo nigo nonye nabo aba gakwene kyabuna niga guchya kubwatesia sector iyo y'abanyanyimbo korenta amaunchirio asense ya Kenya.
Our first DIG grown and brought up in the service, and that's why most of the time we are hearing people referring us to the new DIG as homegrown. He has grown through the radar from a constable to the level of a DIG. Mine is just to wish him the best.
I want to pledge to work within the rule of law and as per the Constitution. I am ready to guide the officers to ensure the public get the desired services, since security is our priority and safety of each and everyone is our responsibility. The common mwananchi, the Wanchiku, should not only feel safe but be safe at all costs. We have no